As a teacher, honestly, it's being able to interact with the students on a day-to-day basis.
I moved into teaching specifically because I was really enjoying art direction and helping juniors elevate their work. And I just wanted to do that on steroids. I was like, if I'm doing that with a few people, how would that feel if I could sort of help shape a whole next generation of game makers?
Feels like we're all there having fun.
I think my favorite thing about teaching in the Bachelor of Game Development at AIE is getting to spend time with fresh faces who are entering the industry for the first time and seeing what they want to get out of making games.
So what's probably most fun, I think, for myself is just watching the students grow over their time here at AIE. We get students coming in from all walks of life, all different stages in their lives, and just sort of seeing them coming in with their goals and achieving those goals over such a long period of time, 2 years. It's really great just to see that growth.
I'm enjoying teaching the next generation of artists because I used to be one of them, just dreaming to see my name on the screen. And I was able to achieve that dream. And I think this time it's my turn to help students to achieve their own dreams. So it is actually genuinely good for the heart. So I'm enjoying it.